Hello, let's discuss today about ERP software for plastic industry. Adoption of new technology, greater visibility, better risk management, and market responsiveness will help plastic industry become more profitable. India is a major exporter of these plastic products, and the export is growing rapidly. To achieve this exponential growth, the industry needs to take advantage of modern technologies such as ERP. Let's see the challenges faced by plastic industry. As the prices of raw materials such as crude oil and natural gas are highly fluctuating, it becomes difficult to plan production and pricing strategies. Plastic companies not only face competition from multinational companies, but also other substitutes such as metal, glasses, and paper. Small and medium-sized companies often find it difficult and costly to comply with complex rules and regulations. Companies have to make significant investments in R&D, procurement of machinery, and adopting the latest technologies such as biodegradable plastic. Now, let us discuss how Sage X3 helps you deal with all of these challenges. Sage X3 automates the procurement, generation of purchase orders, tracking of live market prices, and vendor performance management to get materials at reasonable prices. It powers businesses with process automation and real-time and accurate data to make informed decisions that align with market trends, patterns, and changing consumer preferences. It streamlines complex regulatory tasks, allowing businesses to stay compliant with latest rules and regulations, and adhere to the best industry standards. It facilitates collaboration between different business departments, leading to seamless exchange of new ideas and lower R&D costs. Sage X3 provides extensive features for sample testing, product mapping, and automated quality checks which ensure consistency throughout the production. It records and tracks the movement of individual product lots throughout the supply chain to trace the origins of defective and contaminated products. It helps make changes in a controlled and coordinated manner to track and identify potential problems, and keep a repository of engineering data. Sage X3 is a game changer that provides real-time insights, business intelligence, and analytical reports that help you adapt to the changing market trends, and stay ahead of the competitors. Increase sales, drive growth and stay compliant with Sage X3.